Hello. This is a quick response to Airbase's tutorial on creating a pump-in lead sound. This is very much similar to what he did, but with a little twist on it. I'll show you what I've done, and then I'll show you the technique that I've used to create it. So here I've used the melody, well, I've created a melody, and I've also created some reverb. I'll show you those two right now. Now you might be thinking, there's no sidechain on that from the melody, the lead sound. Yes, you are correct. But what I've done here is I've sidechained the reverb to the kick channel. So from the audio out the kick channel, that's being sent over to this reverb. So it's working like it would with a normal sidechain on a bass, but for a melody, for reverb, which works absolutely brilliantly in my opinion. I'll go ahead and show you that now. Yes, so that's pretty much it really. That's just another way of using sidechain within a track. I'll just show you this little 8-bar loop that I've created. Once I've done that, that should be the end of this little production tip. Hope this has been useful to you. Practice and enjoy.